Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. We have here a house that was recently reduced in price. It was reduced by Jamaican 17 million or US $110.4 thousand. This house was built in 1996 and sits on 1/3 acre of land. It is nestled at Woodland Grove in the scenic red hills of St. Andrew. This magnificent four-story residence boasts 5 bedrooms, 4.5 bathrooms, and includes a dedicated service quarters for added convenience. The architectural grandeur is highlighted by high ceilings, adding a sense of spaciousness and elegance to the living and the dining rooms. The layout is thoughtfully designed to seamlessly blend comfort with luxury, offering an ideal haven for families or those who appreciate refined living. Some features include a double-car garage and solar water heater, dining area with excellent lighting, well laid out kitchen, ceiling fans in the bedrooms, master bedroom with walkout balcony, pool area, just to name a few. Its location in Red Hills provides not just a home, but a lifestyle surrounded by the natural beauty of Jamaica. This property is an excellent investment opportunity. Let's talk about making this property yours. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 90 million or US $584,700. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.